be careful with using this method, because either it will completely fix your life to the point that you don't even recognize your previous life, or it will completely destroy your self-esteem and make your life worse overall. So this method is only for the people who are down bad, like I was 7 months ago. I had like 6 hours of daily screen time. I was so tired of everything. I just needed, it was not even something that I wanted. I needed to get out of it, because I knew that if I didn't control my screen time, I would not reach the goals that I wanted to actually reach. So use this method at your own risk. Either it will make your life a lot better, or it will make your life worse. And if it works for you, leverage the fuck out of this method. Like leverage it so much to the point where you feel like, oh fuck, I'm using this way too much. Maybe I should stop, because it's working too well. So there is one prerequisite for this to actually work for you. What is the prerequisite? The prerequisite, I can't say that word. What is okay, so basically, what is the thing that you have to have before this will actually work for you? You need to be an honest person. If you are not an honest person, this will not work for you, because I will explain why it won't work, and you'll see you'll see why you need to be an honest person for it. So the thing is a commitment contract. A commitment contract is something where you tell yourself, okay, I am going to do X thing. If I don't do X thing, I'm going to do Y consequence. And it seems very simple. Oh yeah, that's just a challenge. But. This is not just a challenge, it's more than that. You tell yourself, if I scroll short form content for the next set time, 14 days, go on the onion method. I'll talk about how you can leverage this. For the next 14 days, if I decide to watch any short form content at all, I will give a stranger $50 or $100 or 200 or 500. I had a challenge with myself. It was nothing to do with like consuming short form content. It was something about money. And if I didn't achieve it, I had to give a stranger $450. I didn't achieve it. I gave the stranger $450. So it needs to be something where if you do mess it up, you will actually do it. And this is where it ties back to you being an honest person. Because if you're not an honest person and you tell yourself, if I don't do this and if I mess it up, I'm going to give a stranger $10,000. But you know that, yeah, I'm probably not going to do that if I mess it up. Then don't say that. If you feel like you need to say, oh yeah, I'm going to give them $1, then that's good enough. If you know that if I mess it up, I am going to do that, then set that as the foundation of your commitment contract. Set that. Just know that you will actually do the consequence, because if you know that you won't do the consequence, this does jack shit to you. You need to have the consequence be something where you will actually do the consequence. I think you get the gist of it. If you want my help with this, you can click on the first link in the description. It's more for like entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur and you realize that your screen time is the biggest bottleneck in your business, you realize that you can't focus probably, you procrastinate way too much, you have way too many distractions, you do X, Y, and Z, and you don't even have the time to properly work on the business, click on the first link in the description. I will fix your screen time, like no question about it. So I will take you from the position that you're in right now to your desired position in like as little time as possible. It depends from person to person. So click on the first link in the description, see if you qualify, take some action. Click on the first link in the description, take some action again, and have a good rest of the day. And I've been repeating myself way too much. Have a good rest of the day.